The bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full, yeah, the bucket is full with water now. We'll take water now and pour water out, and we'll make it soapy now. We soap up the water, we soap up the water, we soap up the water, drop, drop, drop. We wash all the clothes, yeah, that's how it goes, with the water filled with soap. The clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, the clothes in the water, splash, splash, splash. We give them a rub, we scrub and we scrub, wipe the stains with all the suds. We wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, we wash all the clothes now, scrub, scrub, scrub. We rinse and we rinse, we rinse and we rinse in the water till we're done. And now we will hang them, yes, we will hang them. We will use a clothespin, snap, snap, snap. The quicker we hang them, the quicker we're done. Washing clothes is so much fun.
Well done, friends! All the striped shirts are nice and clean. The wind has taken the balloons away. And here is the boat. We must catch them quickly.
I will row the boat with you, and we'll find our lost balloons. Let's go, in the water, go, go, go. Let's go, faster, faster in the boat. Up ahead is one balloon, we must grab it very soon. Wow, 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 we have found the green balloon. Wow, 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 we have found the green balloon.
Who is the green one for? Meowser! Who is the white one for? Hoppy!
I see something up ahead, one balloon that's bright and red. Wow, 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 we have found the red balloon. Wow, 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 we have found the red balloon.
Who is the red one for? Foxtail! And the yellow one? That's for Cheep!
Up ahead another one, now our search is almost done. Wow, 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 we have found the blue balloon. Wow, 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 we have found the blue balloon.
The blue balloon! That's for Wolfy!
Well, the flood is very bad, and I'm feeling very sad. I don't know what I should do. Can the Beadie help me through? Help me, Beadie, won't you please? I'm in trouble, can't you see? Rain is pouring hard and blue. What to do, do? Well, the flood is higher now. This will damage my blue house. All my friends are in the rain. Maybe they can save the day. Fill the bucket with the rain. Take the water all away. Toss it over, pour it out. And the bucket's empty now. Now the blue house is all dry, and the sun is shining bright. All my friends have helped me out. Yes, they saved my lovely house. Fill the bucket with the rain. Take the water all away. Toss it over, pour it out. And the bucket's empty now. Ow! All of the clouds rain down from the sky. Use your umbrella to keep you dry. Just follow Wolfie, do what I do. All of the rain is so nice and blue. Rainy, rainy, drop, drop, drop. Blue umbrella, pum, pum, pum.
Hey, the Beadies took the umbrella. What will you do now?
Let's raise our arms and then they will spread like an umbrella above our head. Run through the puddles, stomping our feet. Wolfie will sing and you will repeat. Hands together, clap, clap, clap. Feet in water, stomp, stomp, stomp. Hands together, clap, clap, clap. Feet in water, stomp, stomp, stomp. Dance in a puddle, jump really fast. It is so fun when you make a splash. Faster and faster beneath all the rain. Dance in the puddles with me again. Puddles, puddles, pum, pum, pum. Sunny, sunny, sun, sun, sun. First we watch Blue Wolfie filling up the can. Then we we find the flowers struggling to stand. We pour on the water and ding, 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 ding. The flowers are dancing, oh ding, 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 ding. We're shaking our heads now, oh ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding.
Everything is fine now. Flowers really love when they are watered.
See the flowers swaying, happily so blue. They will sing to Wolfie, just to say thank you. We're shaking our heads now, ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding. We're shaking our heads now, ding, 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 ding. We're waving our leaves now, ding, 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 ding. Are you curious what the next Beadies episode is about? I am so excited!